Okay, review of Dawn of the Dogs Part 1. So, poor little Mercatulu wanted a dog even though he is a dog in a town full of dogs. Now, he has this spinning fortune wheel, which has two sides, either $5.25 or a grand prize, a free dog, but not just any dog. Sorry, again, I'm sick. So what he does is spins the wheel. This time he got the dog. And so he's super happy, but he doesn't notice something about his dog that we are going to find out in this part, which I am super excited. Keep your hats and hoodies on or off. We're gonna have an adventure, and it's gonna be mind-blowing. So probably keep your hoodies on to protect your hair. And also, I am playing Mercatulu, and Tux is playing the ordinary dog. The ordinary, in case you don't know what this means, it means just kidding, or I'm joking. The ordinary dog. And here comes the dog right now. Whee! And again, this story tells you about faith, that what you believe in, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. If you put your mind to it, you can do it. To rhyme. Okay, so we are going to get started. Remember, we left off where poor Mercatulu is looking back at trying to think of his memories when he was a citizen and not the mayor. Now, this is going to be the first scene we are going to do in this one. Okay, so keep your hats and hoodies on, protect your hair, and watch the show. It's awesome. I just wish I could remember what it was like to be a citizen. Isn't that right? Well, sure it is. When you put your mind to it, you can do anything. Did you just talk? Well, of course I talked. I'm a dog. You all talk. Well, true, but how? It's possible. When you put your mind to it, you can do anything. See, right now, I'm pretty strong. See? You can do anything. Like scratch your head. Even though it's highly impossible, you can still do it. I can, so I can think of my memories. Yeah, of course I can. I mean, if you can, it's just you said. Well, you can do anything. Just trust me. Just touch that head, too. I mean, this, yeah, you touched it. Good job. And now, just wish what you'd like to do. Okay. I'd like to see my memories as a citizen. Okay. Now it's coming. You wait for me. Yes? Who are you? I'm Quitty. People call me. I think it's 3 times Quitty. Quitty. But call me Coot. Or Cootie. Or Cootie Coot Coot. Or Cootie Cootie Cootie. I'm gonna be your best friend, because I've never met you. I don't think that's how it works. When you put your mind to it, you can do anything. You not believe that? Yes, I believe that. Sorry for putting Oh, it's fine. Everyone does that. Your wish is a command. Ookie, ookie, ookie. Tookie, tookie, tookie. Katook, katook, katook. I must go now. There's your memory. The memory's here. Yay! Now I can just think of it. Up to the sun. I wonder what's gonna happen. I'm gonna see my memories again. I'm gonna see my memories again. Yay! I was kidding, but I can still see my memories. Just I was being all emotional today, and I'm not emotional, dude. Serious? Oh yeah, I'm serious, dog. You're calling yourself a dog. Well, of course I am. I am a dog, and I am a dog. Okay, fine. Boy. Okay, get close. Oh, by the way, you haven't figured this out yet, but I'm a lawyer. I help you with your problems. Yeah, I've always wanted a lawyer. Even though I'm married, I have like $1 bazillion. I don't have a lawyer. Whoa, gonna close my eyes, I got stamina. No, in the river, I got stamina. So, me, I can do anything I want. Yep-a-doodle. Okay. I wish to see my memories. This is gonna be awesome! By the way, when emotions kick in, we're gonna add some music that goes with that, cause it's fun. And also now we are in the past when Mayor Cthulhu was a citizen. So get ready, wild ride coming up. Yeah, I'm a citizen. Oh, I can't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, woohoo! I can't feel my face. I literally can't feel my face. I wish I could, but I can't. I can't feel my face. Whoa. I'm a gangster. Ow. I think I'm gonna die. Hey, you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. It hurts. Hey, don't worry. I know CPR. Okay, thank you. Okay. Just calm down, okay? Everything's gonna be alright. I'll call 911. But I need surgery. Yeah, I said that. But doesn't mean I told you the truth. So hey, don't worry. 911. So a dog broke their leg. Okay, we'll come out right away. Okay, hurry. I think they're gonna die. Okay, they're coming, okay? They're gonna sniff out the criminal. There was no criminal. I think I'm sick. do some stretches, then you'll feel alright. Now I want whistle emergency. Ah, I'm dying. I'm bleeding. Ah. Ah. I'm dying. I'm bleeding. Ah.
I don't know how you guys feel, but you guys want pasta again, or what's up?
Help! Yes, please! Oh, yes, please! Help me! Help me! Ah! Ah! Don't worry, you're being dragged over to the emergency room.
You're gonna have pasta again, freaks?
Ah, yes! Thank you! Thank you! Ah! Ow! Ow!
You sure you all want pasta?
Yeah! It's paining me!
What?
It's paining me! It's paining me! Don't worry, just sit up. Okay, I'll sit up. I'll sit up. I want to go to sleep. I want to go to sleep. There's a monster. Oh my gosh, I wish not to see my past again. Oh, thank goodness you're here. Thank you. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Why? Because I thought you were dying there. So what happens in my dream happens right now. Well, not my dream, just my past happens right now. No, obviously not. You're not dying. I know. Just here, have this from Cuckoo Coo. Or Katoo Katoo Katoo. Katee Katee Katee. Or whatever. Hey. Oh, yeah. Well, I have my meeting tomorrow morning. You want to come? I'm your dog. Of course I have to come. Yeah, sure. You're also my lawyer. Yeah, lawyer schmoyer.
Lawyer Schmoyer.
Alright, yeah. Yeah. Fine. Okay, I'll come. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna feed you. Oh, first, let's get that because. Okay, we're back. Okay, you can go to bed. Yeah, I'm really hungry. Okay, fine. You go to bed. I mean, yeah, I'm not hungry. Yeah, you go to bed. Don't go to that pantry. Night. Night. I just wish I could I just wish. I just wish.
Hey, what, cutie pie? Cutie?
I've gotta go to sleep. My head hurts.
Like for real?
My head hurts. Good night.
Good night.
Hey, where'd everyone go? Ow! What happened? I think I stepped on something. No, can't step on anything.
Oh.
I didn't see the glass. I'm sorry. I'm a dog. I don't see glass. Yeah. Do.
Sorry. Just curious.
That's my mom. The mayor's mom. Or some weirdo, just like my mom. Yeah, it's definitely some weirdo. Yeah.
My preteen daughter is just laying on the couch when she could be helping mommy. Grand prize, a dog. Not just any dog. Who's the grand prize? Tuxedo?
Tired. I'm gonna go sleep when I'm in sleep.
So do we want chicken Alfredo?
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, mommy. Wait! Am I in my childhood? I think I can be. That's what I wished for! I wished to be in my childhood. And I'm here. I had a dog. How awesome. Wow, and my voice changed a lot. Well, anyways, this is awesome. Woohoo! Childhood. No people to rule over. Woohoo! Because I had a sister, of course. And that is my mom. Oh, is this when I had a cold? Oh, no. I'm tired. She's making chicken fajitas, I think. I don't know. But I still get to see my childhood. So, yep. Better stay awake. I had the spinning wheel of fortune. I thought I bought that. And I had Elmer's glue and a porcupine and a pine cone and a pillow that says follow your dreams. But this is awesome! My gosh! Woohoo! But this is probably my second wish from Kutukata. Gotta go back to sleep to get awake. Oh, good night. I'm awake, but that was awesome. Now I have to wish for one more thing. What should it be? I'll think of it overnight. I just woke up. Why am I tired? I don't know. Morning, April 1st. Oops, calendar is wrong. April 1st, 2008. Sorry, calendar is wrong again. April 1st, 2014. Hey, happy April Fool's Day. Really? It's April Fool's Day? But yesterday was December 29th. And now it's what? Sorry, but it's true. Okay, fine, I'll give you that. But I mean, really? Yeah. You wished for it. I did? Yeah. You said, oh, I wish it was April Fool's. In your sleep. I did? Yeah. Silly, you're asleep, so you can't hear it. Okay, fine. Oh, but I'm so tired. It feels like I barely slept a minute. Hey, is this a toy for you? Toy. Can't get my eyes off it. Can't keep my hands to myself. Stop that.
Guys, would you
Am I
like
still
some?
in my dream?
Are you still on that thing? How long is this
Dream.
video?
It's a dream. It's a dream. Oh.
I'll help you. Wake up! How
Ah.
long is this video for?
It's a dream. It's
Oh,
a
boy.
dream.
Okay, then mommy's gonna make what she feels like making now.
It's a dream. Replay of what happened last night. Oh, I wish it was April Fool's. So that's what happens? Yippee doodle dandy. Okay. So I guess I wish for fools. Did she say 3? Could you click on say 3 or 13? 13. What? I still have 10 more wishes? Yeah. Okay. I know. This is going to be my last wish. Well, one of my last wishes. I'm only gonna wish for April Fool. I wish for a wicked April Fool's prank. On what did I name you? My name's Dickory.
Yo.
My name's Dickory. Why am I suddenly so tired? It's probably the wishes. Cuckoo, or cuckoo, Mr. Cuckoo. Yeah, Mr. Cuckoo didn't mention the part that there's side effects. Side effects? Yep, it happens every time. Every time? No way. Yeah, you might be having the sleep effect. The sleep effect. Okay, sleep and wake up fast. Yeah, yippity yeah. Oi! I'm tired. Well, you can wish and you can do anything you want, just if you put your mind to it. Okay. I put my mind to all of this never happened. Sorry, that wish can't be available until your 9th. My 9th? Your outfit's so weird. Here, let me get you another one. A barf bag. Hey, stop that. Who's gonna make me? I am. So you can call the police or something. Actually, that's a pretty good idea. Thanks. Okay. Get me shopping thingies and clothes thingies and Already 2 or 6 wish. I don't care about more wishes. I wish for a Ferrari for me. Everything for me. Yeah. I also wish that ha 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 ha. I wish that. I wish that I had lipstick and stuff. Even though I'm a boy, I just wish that I had lipstick and stuff. The purse thingy, the MERS for dogs. in the wallet thingy, yeah, and I would just wish for all of that. Ha 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 ha. Wait, you can't keep on doing this. Why not, Piggy Tooth? Because it's not good. Why is it not good? Because you're not being yourself. Why am I not being myself? Because you're getting greedy of the wishes, everything for you. Ugh, no way. Stop this, or I'm going to make your final wish. I wish that everything would go away and none of this would happen. What happened? What happened? Well, you got wishes and I helped you from them because you were getting too greedy and you started having horrible things done to you. Can I at least make one last good wish? Of course you can. Okay. I wish that everyone would forgive me for the bad mistakes I made. I believe that I can be a better person. I have faith that I can be a better person. I just believe. Thank you. The end. Thank you, everyone, and that is the story of Mayor Cthulhu, who turned out to not be a mayor at all. Now, I hope this story teaches you a lesson to have faith in everything, but if you have the chance to get at least 13 wishes, then make them good. Don't wish for everything for yourself, and don't be greedy. If you do, bad things will happen. So I hope you loved this video. Remember, be kind to just everyone you meet, even if you actually meet me. That's awesome. I mean, yeah, hey! But I'm being serious. Come on. You have got to be nice, or else bad things can happen. Even though you don't know it and you're too caught up in being greedy and rude, I'm going to try to replay a scene from it to show you what I mean. It was actually pretty much the last one, but I'm going to show you what I mean. If you be greedy, bad things will happen. I'm not lying. So I'm going to try and repeat a scene, and I hope you guys like seeing another scene again. So, yeah. Just don't be mean, don't be rude. That's a life lesson for you. I hope you like it. Sorry, false alarm. Sorry guys, Tux refuses to come, but I'm gonna replay it without him. Your outfit's so weird. I wish I could get you another one, but it's just so lame I can't. You know, I can make your final wish. Ha ha ha. So what? Ha ha. I'm just gonna make 3 more wishes. Not if you only make 2 and I stop. You're not gonna do that. I wish for a Ferrari thingy, and wish for a merge thingy and like I wish for that. Nice. Whoa, what happened? Well, you turned evil. And I stopped that from happening. So, you can thank me, no need. Thank me. Oh, yes. Yeah, guys, so that's it. That's why. A bad thing happened. Her last wish was spent. I mean, his last wish was spent, and that probably made him feel a little sad on the inside. But it was for a good cause. So always thank your friends when they do something for you, or else you might end up like Cthulhu. So yeah, you've got to be nice, the nice person, and just share a smile. Be happy and share a smile. Then other people will smile and you'll just make their day. Not like Cthulhu with, haha, your outfit's ugly. Say, hey, I like your outfit. Where'd you get it? That's being a good sport and a good person. Not greedy, not rude. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really liked doing this. I'm going to try to do it again because it's awesome. So thank you for watching. Remember, please subscribe to become a cool kid on this channel. Remember, all of you are already a cool kid. So, yeah, just comment down below what you think we should do next time. Also, comment down below what you should think a challenge is good for us to do on Sister vs. Sister. Well, also remember, like this video. That would be awesome. Big fat thumbs up. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Hi, Taylor. Bye, guys.